Hi everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel Techie Zilla. And we are back with another news. The Google Cloud team has collaborated with QuickLabs platform in order to bring you all students an amazing opportunity to learn and earn. So, in this particular challenge, earlier there were just four swags, all of these that are displayed in the picture. Now, the other swag, which is the cap, is added to it. And we all know that the Google Cloud skills are in demand, and 86% of the IT leaders have reported a shortage on the cloud computing skills. So, this Learn to Earn program basically aims at teaching you the cloud skills, particularly with the Google Cloud, and then you can, based on the knowledge that you gain, you can earn things, right? So you'll have a free access to 32 plus hands-on labs, plus an opportunity to earn prizes, grow your network, as well as showcasing your skills. So we'll talk about what the challenge is all about in this particular video. If you want to take a sneak peek of what are the various challenges, you can also have a look at this particular YouTube video that is prepared by Quick Labs. Now let's talk about this particular challenge. So this challenge aims in learning new skills, earning badges, and then get prizes based on your achievements. Some quick note is that this is a limited time offer which is valid through only 10th of October 2021. So you need to complete all the challenges before that in case you want to earn these swags. Now there are four game tracks that are these one: essentials, data, architecture, as well as security. And you can basically earn in all of these. Let's see what you'll get. But there is just one prize maximum per participant. And in order to win those prizes, what you need to do is, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see what were the previous prizes and what the other prizes are. So if you can see, there is a fifth track now, which is the data plus track. And in this data plus track, if you complete it, you'll win a hat by Google Cloud. So what you want to do is you want to complete as many challenge badges as you can in the essentials, data, architecture, as well as security domain, and then also complete the data plus challenge. So earlier, if you did at least two of the four challenges, which means you do two out of these four, right? Essential, data, architecture, and security, and then the data plus challenge, you'll get a hat, and you'll be also eligible for the prizes that the two tracks will get you. So if you complete just one challenge out of these, you won't be getting any swags, but you'll receive 30 free quick lab credits for your account. If you complete uh, basic tier prize is earning two badges and the data plus badge, then you'll get this basic tier prize, which is a bottle as well as the Google Cloud hat. If you just do the two badges, then you'll get this single prize, which is the sipper bottle. And if you complete three badges, then you get this awesome Google Cloud diary as well as the Google Cloud hat. If you just do the three badges out of the four, then you just get the diary. If you complete all the four badges as well as the data plus badge, which is by far the highest achievement that one can have, then you can either have the teapot or the non-spill sipper, either one of these, and plus a hat. So you'll be able to choose between these two, whatever you want to get in case you get to the highest tier. And if you complete just the four badges, then you get into the highest tier as well, and you can choose any one of these, which is either a teapot or a non-spill sipper. Now let's see what this particular challenge is all about. You can have a look at challenge facts in here and the prize facts in here in case you have any questions. And then let me quickly show you how to complete these challenges. So in order to complete those challenges, what you need to do is you can hop on to courseintern.com and click on here, learn to earn. Now once you click on here, it will open up a page like this where you can see all the lab links. This is the code of the lab. This is the lab link which will redirect you on the Quick Labs platform. And then there is this YouTube tutorial link which will guide you step by step through all the tutorial that you need to accomplish. Now in case you have you want to keep up with all of this stuff, you can join this Telegram group, 30 days of Google Cloud. The link is in the description below. We will post all the cloud related stuff in this particular group, and you'll always be updated with it. Now let's see, how do I join this particular track and how do I complete it, right? So you have these four tracks. One is essential, data, architecture, and security. So for example, if you want to complete essential, you'll click on join now. As soon as you click on join now, there is a sign in screen that will open up. You can sign in with your Google ID. Once you do that and we click on sign in and then authorize it, it would go to this particular page, which is learn to earn cloud challenge, the essentials lab. Now you want to scroll a little bit and click on join this game. Once you click on join this game, you'll be asked for an access code because the game is private right now. So how would you grab that particular access code? In order to grab the access code, what you'll do is you'll hop on back here, and for the essentials lab, this is the code that you want to pick up. Similarly, for the data lab, this is the access code. For architecture, this is the access code, and for security, this is the access code. So once you get back in here, you will paste the access code and then click on join. Once you click on join, you'll be redirected to this particular page, and now you can complete the data plus challenge. Once you go through all the challenges that are here, you can complete the data plus challenge, which is the additional challenge which can earn you a Google Cloud hat. And you know the drill till now, right? You click on join this game, you grab the access code which is for the data plus quest, you paste in the access code, join in, complete the labs, get quick lab credits, complete the labs, and you know the drill, right? Now if you have any questions, you can join the Discord server. Everyone in the community is helping each other. There is official team of course intern who are working tirelessly and helping you guys in accomplishing what you want to do and how you want to learn things. The link is in the description below. Join that particular group, have a look at it, post questions, help others, and let's nurture this community altogether. Now similarly, this is the architecture lab. You know the drill till now. Join this game, copy back what is in the architecture code, and similarly you go for security and then join this game and pick up the code for the security, right? This one. And you know the drill. Whatever you will need is already in this particular doc, and you just need to hop onto courseintern.com and click on learn to earn. The link for this particular doc is in the description below. All the links that we have gone through in this particular video are in the description box. If you have any questions, you can comment down or join the Discord server and let everyone help you, and I would encourage you highly to help everyone. Now if you scroll down in the doc, you will find whatever the badges are. So for example, this is badge 1 essentials, badge 2 data, badge 3 architecture labs, badge 4 security labs, and then these are the bonus labs, which is the data plus labs, and you can find everything in here. I hope this has been helpful for you. If it is, please press a like button, please give a big thumbs up and share it with your friends so that they can also utilize this opportunity. Thank you for so much love and support you people have been giving us from the past few months. We are really thankful and grateful for that. We hope that you love this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe the channel to get the latest updates, and please remember to press the bell icon so that you can get an instant notification from YouTube in case there is any updated videos on our channel. I hope this has been helpful for you, and we'll see you in the next one.